In this container, I have Empties from the brand Ziaja, which is a European company started by pharmacist, and yes, his name was Ziaja. The thing which he couldn't understand, why companies are charging so much for something which is cheap to manufacture. So that's how he decided to come up with his own brand, and some of the products been around for years or years. Some are new to the market, pretty much like not fashion show, but you know, there are some trends. The same is with the beauty world, when some companies they're gonna come up with something and becomes a big hit. Either way, with this brand, there are some staples which been around for a long time, and some which are new, and we will see if they're gonna stand the test of time or not. In here, I have few items. No, it's not a lot. I know I have more in my stash, and also I did some videos of Empties in the past, so I can easily link to them. But I'm gonna talk what's in here. And the first one, it's one of my favorites, which is their goat milk line. Goat milk, it's good for skin which you don't know what else to use on. Anyone can use it. Dry skin, oily, combination, mature, baby skin, even the one which went through the chemotherapy. So within this line, there are few items, and at the beginning there were only few, and later on the company bring more products, which I'm glad. So this is their moisturizer with SPF 20. So it's concentrated hydrating moisturizer, UVA, UVB, SPF 20. I went through many of those. The texture of it's a little bit thicker, but because of that, it gives you that nice slip if you want to apply makeup afterwards. So that's the one which I have. Ooh, look, I have one more. I think that's what I have for now. But overall, I went through many of those, and most of the time I'm gonna try to stack up on it when I'm in Europe. Then look it up, one more. So not two, I have 3 of those. That was the goat milk with SPF. This is the same thing, but without anything. So that's the night cream. They have day cream and night cream. The one for the day comes with 1 goat, then the one for the night with 2 goats. So this one is for the night. Also, their moisturizer, at least this one, has a specific scent. If you're familiar with the goat milk products, you know there is that, I'm not gonna call it milky, yogurty smell, but there is something. So if you find with that scent, you're gonna be okay with this one. I think this one even smells nicer. But going back, so it's smoothing, how do you call it? Not refreshing. When something it's very rich, so let's say it's rich smoothing for dry skin prone to wrinkles. So that's the small size, which is 50 ml, 1.7 ounce, same as this one. And why I'm bringing up the sizes, because okay, so that's the size which this product comes in. Also, there are, okay, because the company has many different lines, some of the sizes are this. Okay, they look like this, some they are way bigger. So this particular one, that's their avocado cream, which, no, I don't have it, but this small one of those, this looks like this. So this is 1.7 ounce, this is 2.5. And Ziaja, here we go. Ziaja, they have their website here in the States, but it's not, okay, variety of their products, it's not as big as the one in Europe. So let's say if I'm gonna order here, their moisturizers are this size. When I'm gonna go to Europe, I can buy this size. So this particular one, that's their avocado cream for dry, tired skin. And It's like, you know, Nivea moisturizer, which comes in that blue tint, and anyone can use that. It's good for everything. So this is something similar, except it has some more stuff. Okay, water, mineral oil, glycerin, avocado oil, beeswax, and a few other. If you have dry, dehydrated skin, or you need something because it's really cold outside, or let's say, I'm not going to call it your skin need miracles, this is one of those products which will work. It's like a oilier moisturizer which will provide hydration and make your skin better, and no, it doesn't cost a fortune. And over the years I went through many of those, so that's the bigger sizes, and even though it's bigger, you can tell that I do like it because I already have 2 of those. And yeah, I already purchased recently when I was in Europe, and from that line they have also few body products. That's their body butter, natural avocado oil, regenerating body butter, and smells exactly like the moisturizer. So when you, if your body skin, it's a little bit rough, this one is perfect. Besides the butter, they have lotion. Like I told you earlier, some of the products stand the test of time, some don't. I don't see the body butter anymore, but I know they still have the body lotion, and also their hand cream, it's wonderful. Oh yeah, talking about the face creams, so the one with the 1 goat, yeah, that's from the goat milk line. 1 goat for the day, 2 goats for the night, but if you will not know it, they look exactly the same. And then, oh, we have a serum. I went to the like a freestanding store, and I was looking for the vitamin C serum, which they don't have it, but this is like vitamin C, hyaluronic acid, and peptide. It has a consistency of like a milky serum, because I didn't know how much percentage is inside. I just layer it. I just layer it at night between my other serums. Was nice, but it didn't wow me. However, I would say this is like okay, because it has few ingredients, it's worth giving a go. And also, some people, they cannot really take high percentage of vitamin C, so this is nice to start with. Or if you're traveling and you don't want to carry too many things, guess what, this one has vitamin C, hyaluronic acid, and peptide, so it's like multi ingredients inside. Ziaja, they have also the variety of masks, so we have Jasmine anti-aging, goat milk, and rose butter. They're all will provide hydration. The difference is gonna smell different, and the, let's say, main ingredient is gonna be different. But overall, all of them, they're gonna provide hydration. Like this is gonna be pink in texture. This is gonna be white, but it's like putting a cloud on your face. And this is something similar. It's just a hydrating mask. And then we have 2 eye creams, one from the goat milk line, the other one it's the Jasmine eye cream, Jasmine butter, microcollagen, hyaluronic acid, and apparently it's supposed to be for someone over 50, but I use it. You don't always have to go with what they say, because what's in it, it's more important. Like this one was with collagen or hyaluronic acid. Either way, I bought it because of the little tint. Here you can see it better. And that day, like, I'm not really into concealers because they're gonna get in between my lines, so this was perfect, and it did make my skin look better. And then goat milk line, milk eye cream, dry skin, a wrinkle preventative. So this is similar like the CeraVe Moisture eye cream for the eyes. It provides hydration, it works. And there is nothing wrong with it. So it's a simple simple eye cream which does the job. And yeah, those are all the items which were in this container. Yes, this video was short, but at least you have like a short overview. That's all what I have from the Ziaja brand. In the future, there's gonna be more videos, but for right now, bye!